I hope you're excited because today you're gonna learn how to make quarantine meals that your family are gonna be talking about for years to come. Back from the grocery store. All the shelves are empty. There's nothing. Let me show you what I got. I got raisins. That's what our video is gonna be about today because I got no meat, I got no chicken, I got no stuff to make chocolate mousse cake. It's gonna be raisins. 3 ways. Get ready. My personal favorite, raw. They taste good with wine. Fried raisins. Woo! Yeah! So I've pre-buttered my pan. Take your bowl of raisins, just sprinkle them on the pan. Take your wooden spoon. I don't know what sauteing is, but I'm assuming this is sauteing when you kind of just push things around so they don't burn. And you know, these will give you a very warm, woody flavor. That's because I'm using a wooden spoon. These are so delicious this way. It's like eating an oatmeal cookie without the oatmeal. Diet oatmeal cookies because you're just eating the raisins. Feel some heat behind me. I don't know what's going on here. Did I turn on the right eye? We're good. We're good. So you just keep doing this for about an hour or two. I mean, what else are you gonna do? You're in quarantine, right? I think there's plastic in here. Shit, this pan's hot. Damn it. Ah! Don't eat plastic. I have my raisins right here, and I'm going to take my little raisin brick and I'm gonna break it all up like this. This is the best way to do it. Just get your hands all in there, squeeze them around. They're kind of mushy. They feel like nipples. There you go. And now raisins go with everything. They go with water, Gatorade. You can drink them with orange juice. Personally, like drinking mine with red wine, but you know, they could probably go with white too. And you could eat them for any meal. Before dinner snacks, midnight snacks, any snacks. Basically, snacks are covered with raisins. Spread them in the pan like this, give them a little shimmy. They kind of look like gerbil turds. So we're at the oven. We're gonna do oven. What the fuck? Oven, okay, there we go. Cooking methods. We're gonna bake. 425. Let's start this bad boy. Start. Seriously? What the heck?
These are baked. Where are my fried ones? Stop making raisins, Mom. Nobody likes them.
That's not true. Don't listen to her. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. And you know what? It doesn't really matter what you cook. As long as you cook it with love, your kids will love it. Except for blackened pizza. Nobody's gonna eat that shit.
What happened to the pizza? Am I eating it?
I mean, you guys, it's not that bad.
If you want to see more videos about lifestyle, raking, walking dogs, painting houses, snow shoveling, picking up poop out of the backyard, not really working out, I don't really do that a lot. I'm pretty great at everything, honestly. Holy shit! Did you hear that?